everyone, my name is Gracie, and today we'll be learning a couple of basic notes on the clarinet, as well as how to tune your clarinet. Let's get started. First, we're going to learn about the low C note, which sounds like this. This note's super important because not only do you see it a lot in music, but it can also be used as a tuning note, which I'll explain later. This is what a C note looks like on the staff. Playing a low C is super easy. All you need to do is press down these 3 front holes, as well as press down the hole in the back. So it's 1, 2, 3, plus the hole in the back. And then you just blow into your clarinet like so. Now, let's learn about the D note. The low D note is right above the low C on the staff. It looks like this. Playing D is very similar to playing C, except for one tiny detail. Instead of 3 holes being pushed down for C, you only need to press down the top 2 holes. So 1, 2, and hole in the back. 1, 2, hole in the back. That's D. And then you blow like so. The last note we're going to learn about today is a low E. This note is just a little bit higher than D. It looks like this. E is super easy to play. While C was this with 3 holes, and D was this with 2 holes covered, then E just has 1 hole covered. So you just have 1 and the hole in the back. 1 and the hole in the back. And then you blow into it like this. Next, let's talk about tuning. Tuning is adjusting the pitch of your instrument so your notes won't sound too high or too low when playing. This is especially important if multiple musicians are playing at the same time. They need to be in tune with each other. Each instrument has a note that they use to tune. For a clarinet, it is C. You can tune with a low C like we learned earlier. 1, 2, 3, hole in the back. Or, if you are feeling bold, try playing a high C. It looks like this on the staff. The fingering for a high C is a bit harder because you use both hands and even your pinky finger. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hole in the back, this key right here, as well as you see this key right above the hole. That's called the register key. You want your thumb, as well as pressing down the hole, to press down the register key. So hole in the back, register key, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this key right here. And now, you have a high C. Now that we've seen what tuning is and what notes to do it with, let me show you how to tune your clarinet. The key to tuning is listening. When you play your C, whichever one it is, make sure you listen very closely to discern whether it sounds sharp, which means higher than it should, or flat, lower than it should. I've already tuned my clarinet, but I'll demonstrate my process here so you can see. This C sounds a bit funny, right? It's a bit too low, or flat. If it's flat, you push the barrel in a little bit and play it again. If it still sounds flat, keep pushing the barrel in until you reach the right pitch. If you can't push in the barrel anymore, like this, push your clarinet up and tighten your embouchure on your mouthpiece, like this. If it's still flat, then the reed you're using might be a bit old. But what if your C sounds a bit too high instead of low? That means your clarinet is too sharp. If it's sharp, you pull the barrel out instead of in and play the C again. Repeat these steps until your clarinet is the right pitch. Now, since some of you might be just starting out on the clarinet, I don't expect you all to tune perfectly by ear right away. I still have a hard time with it sometimes. There are plenty of clarinet tuner apps you can get on your phone to help you. The one I like to use is the TE Tuner, although there are definitely more good ones out there. You can also buy mini tuners like this one that you can clip onto the bell of your clarinet. It makes tuning a lot quicker and easier to do. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at makingmusicmelodiesinfo@gmail.com or comment on our YouTube channel or on our website. See you next time.